Okay, folks, I'm back. This is Wesley Virgin. In this video here, I'm going to bless you guys with some free cryptocurrency, okay? Look, check it out. I have an app right now that I'm about to show you that's basically for doing much of nothing. I'm going to show you right here on my phone, right? I'm going to show you the entire process here, and I'm going to show you how to get $1,000 worth of freaking cryptocurrency. Is that cool? Then listen, I want to be very transparent here. I'm going to log into my Coinbase account because I want to show you where I hold all my crypto. I have a couple of wallets. Let me log in here. And guys, remember, go ahead and smash the like button because you're going to love me by the end of this video because you're going to get $1,000 worth of crypto. Look, so if you look here, you'll see basically this is my account right now. I'm at $89,000 of Bitcoin, and I have this wallet and I use this app as well because it's free. And I'm gonna show you right here on my iPhone how to do it. I'm gonna go step by step. So in about 1 minute, you're gonna be downloading this app and you're gonna be getting free crypto to your account, just like what I'm doing right now. Now listen, this is my disclaimer. This is not meant for you to make $1 billion. Understand, right now the Bitcoin cryptocurrency space is insane. And what I'm doing, I'm always searching for easy ways for you to make money with Bitcoin for free. Is that cool? Smash the like button if that's cool. All right. Now look, watch this. Let me show you something here, guys. The site or the app is called StormX. Basically, the easiest way to earn crypto, especially if you can't afford Bitcoin right now. Understand, one Bitcoin is about $52,000, right? And a lot of you don't have $52,000. So Wesley Virgin, what I do, I go out and I find free apps, free ways to get Bitcoins for people like you. Because I believe everybody right now need to have some cryptocurrency. Does that make sense? Because you're going to miss out on the bubble. It's about to be a shift. People are going to make a ton of money. We missed out 2 years ago. But listen, I'm not going to miss out again. Does that make sense? So if you stay with me here, I'm going to show you here right here on my phone how to get it, how it works, so you can start making money. And basically, you're just going to get paid to shop. Yahoo is featured in Yahoo, Forbes, Decrypt. Everybody endorses this product right here. The app is insane. And the great thing about it is this. Listen, because I know what you guys thinking about Bitcoin. You want to make Bitcoin right now is all you need to do is do exactly what you're doing before. How many of you shop online every day? Everybody does, right? You shop, you buy stuff from Amazon, but the thing is you're not making any money. Understand, if you want to create wealth, then you have to understand that everything that you do with your iPhone, you can make money, okay? Does that make sense? I know you guys excited because I'm getting ready to give you 1,000. I'm gonna prove it to you. And listen, when I bless you with this, all I ask you to do is to share this video, smash the like button. I mean, bang it. I want you to bang it like you do your girl or your guy on a Saturday night, okay? Bang it. Bang that like button and just show me some love below in the comments here, okay? So listen, let me go to the app because I don't want to waste a lot of your time here. So let me type in my password here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. That's my Instagram account right here. Let me show you. As you can see, I already have the app. It's right here. All you need to do is go to the Apple Store. Let me show you. Look, it's very simple and it's free. That's why I love it. Let's go, baby. We got to make some money. See? StormX. Type in StormX on your iPhone. I'm sorry that I have a cracked iPhone, okay? I know what you're thinking. Wesley, aren't you a millionaire? Why don't you just have a phone that is not cracked? Because I really don't care, actually. Look, so I hit open here. You see this right here? Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on. You're going to see something like this. Are you guys with me here? It's going to say StormX, okay? Now listen, this is how you make the money. All these different stores, such as Walmart, Adidas, Agoda, Nike, Samsung. Do you guys shop at these places? Well, guess what? You're shopping, but this site is going to give you free cryptocurrency, okay? Just to shop. Nike, if you buy your next shoe, they're going to give you 3% of their purchase to your wallet right here on StormX, okay? This is free crypto. Does that make sense, folks? Are you guys with me? Tag 3 people right now, please. Just do it because you love me, okay? Listen, Walmart. I know a lot of you broke, cheap people go to Walmart, right? But you're not making any money off of Walmart. They're making money off of you, okay? 2.8% of the money that you spend will be sent to you in cryptocurrency, okay? Does that make sense? Okay? Now, let me show you something here. What I like to do is, I'm going to click on this little button right here that says highest crypto cashback. Because see, I want to make a lot of money fast. How many of you want to make money slow? How many of you want to make money fast? Okay. So these folks here, they're going to pay the most. $35 in crypto if you do business with these guys. Gamefly. How many teenagers out there, you playing video games, right? But you have no, like imagine if you had cryptocurrency now and you saved it as a teenager. By the time you hit 21, you wouldn't need to work a job anymore. Okay, you got to be smart. Blockchain Council, 25%. So what you do is, whenever you want to shop online, the store that you want to shop at, go here first. Get some crypto here, okay? Does that make sense? Smash the like button. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Wesley, you promised that you're going to send us $1,000, okay? 1,000. Who wants $1,000 of crypto right now? That's all you got to do. You see this right here? Earn up to $1,000. Click it. I put a referral link below. Now listen, it's up to you. Once you click that referral link, I get 1,000 and you get 1,000. Does that make sense? We both win, baby. Okay? Everybody wins. It's up to you. The link right under this video in the description below. If you use it and you download the app right now, you have to do it on your phone. Okay? Then guess what? You get 1,000. I mean, just that it. It's that. Look at that. It's just that easy. Okay? You get up to 1,000. I get 1,000. You get 1,000. It's up to you. Does that make sense? That's $1,000 worth of crypto. How many of you can do this right now? Okay? Hello? How many of you right now are getting value? Smash the like button because it was a fast video. Show me some love. Listen, I'm going to leave the description right under the video. All you need to do is click it, download the app, and whenever you shop, you want to collect the cryptocurrency using this free app. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go. Later, folks.